Yeah, to be versatile in recovery, do you think that it's like that's important to do? Because, you know, when we think about making major life changes, like career change, maybe removing substances from your life, removing substances like alcohol or drugs isn't just removing alcohol and drugs, right? You remove friends who are not healthy to that.
Mhm.
You remove workplaces that are not healthy to that. You remove partners who are not healthy to that. It's like it's very difficult to, because a lot of there's a lot of change in all these areas of our lives, like, and being able to adapt to being able to meet new people and find new hobbies and go to meetings. I mean, Elevate even has, I think, a smart meeting in Aptos now, right?
That's
Yeah, so like, to go out and find meetings, whether it's a smart meeting or a 12-step meeting or anything like that, it takes a lot of courage to just put yourself out there, you know. Or maybe you have a loved one who's drinking, right? And you say, or using, and you say, and you go to them and you say, hey, look, like, let's go to let me take you to a meeting. I remember my mom used to take me to meetings, God bless her, she'd take me to meetings, and because I'd crash my car, drinking and using. And again, I mean, I've been in more motor vehicle wrecks than I care to elaborate on, right? But the people that support you, like, maybe someone listens to this podcast and they're like, hey, like, I'm going to ask my mom or ask my son or ask my wife, hey, let's go to a meeting, let's put ourselves out there, right? Or let's think about recovery, let's talk about recovery. It's rather, there's a lot of bravery and a lot of courage that goes with that, because yeah, like you said, like, some people are going to fight you, when you bring up stuff like that, or they're going to disagree. But I think at everyone's most authentic self, if you say, hey, look, let's live better, let's live healthier, the last thing on their mind before they go to bed is like, maybe I should be better, maybe I should try to be better, or make decisions to be more healthier, to die older, right? To live longer, to be stronger.
Yeah, and it's interesting you mentioned seeing people's plans change throughout their program, and how often I won't necessarily push clients too far that are in the early on, if they have those decisions like going back to bartending, things like that. I will often tell them, be open to considering other options for yourself. And very frequently, you will see, once they've made that decision that they want to be successful in recovery, they will make those decisions for themselves, start setting themselves up for success.